banks of the river Nile. Here comes the boat, only half afloat. Oarsman grins a toothless smile. Only just one more to this desolate shore. Last boat along the river Nile. Doesn't seem to care, no more wind in his hair as he reaches his last half mile. The oar snaps in his hair before he reaches dry land, but the sound doesn't dampen his smile. Just pokes at wet sand with an oar in his hand. Floats off down the river Nile. Floats off down the river Nile. Oh,